Most of us cook with oil every single day. But what if that everyday essential turns into something toxic the moment it heats up? Today, we're uncovering the truth about cooking oils, heat, and dangerous compounds that could be affecting your health, backed by real science. You might think cooking oil is harmless. It's in countless recipes, from stir-fries to deep frying. But when you heat certain oils the wrong way, especially repeatedly or at very high temperatures, chemical reactions occur that create harmful substances. And no, this isn't just internet fear-mongering. Scientists have studied this in the lab. Every oil has a smoke point, the temperature at which it starts to visibly smoke. When you heat oil past its smoke point, its chemical structure begins to break down. This process creates free radicals, oxidized fats, aldehydes, and other compounds that weren't in the oil before. Experts classify these breakdown products as oxidized lipids or polar compounds, and they're linked to inflammation, DNA damage, and other health issues. Studies show that cooking oil that's heated multiple times, like in deep frying stations or reused frying oil, can generate harmful chemicals like polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, and even aldehydes. Some of these chemicals are known carcinogens. In fact, a review on repeatedly heated cooking oils explains that these breakdown products may pose serious health risks when consumed regularly. One peer-reviewed study published on PubMed found that the compounds formed when vegetable oils are repeatedly heated include carcinogenic PAHs and other toxic substances. Another scientific review explains how high-temperature cooking forms toxic aldehydes, which are reactive, harmful chemicals that can disrupt cell function. So, what does this mean in your kitchen? Frying at high heat too often, reusing the same oil multiple times, letting oil visibly smoke before cooking. These are common ways toxic compounds can form. Health experts say repeatedly heating oil may raise cholesterol, increase inflammation, and even raise the risk of certain diseases, including heart disease and some cancers. To protect your health and keep your cooking safe, use fresh oil instead of reheating it multiple times. Choose stable oils with higher heat tolerance if doing high-heat cooking. Avoid heating beyond the smoke point. If it smokes, it's breaking down extra virgin olive oil, and high oleic oils, like avocado or refined oils, tend to form fewer toxic breakdown products compared to highly polyunsaturated oils when used properly. So next time you turn up the heat, remember what's inside that pan matters. Not all cooking oils are created equal, and how they're heated changes everything. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know what oil you cook with in the comments.